So yeah, as I was saying yesterday, today it's raining really hard. And if it's raining here like this, in eastern Slovenia it's even worse. And yeah, well, Monty and Nar, they don't get along. This one, so Nar, when he saw Monty, he started to barking as usual. But this time, Monty, for the first time, barked back. And Liza got treats, of course. Oh, yeah, I'm getting completely wet, my phone, so this will be a very short, as you can see. Water everywhere. Yeah, and these two are already completely wet. Yeah. Okay, let's end on this, and of course through the puddle. Of course.